Top 10 apps in United States and USA and Canada where you can earn very easily. Number 1, Instacart. Instacart is another side hustle app you can use to make money. You can either work as a full service shopper who delivers grocery orders, or you can just help to prepare orders in the store. How it works: full service shoppers work as independent contractors. You can work when your schedule allows it. You get paid for every batch of orders you complete and keep 100% of customer tips. The sign up: you must be at least 18 years of age, be able to lift 40 kg weight, and have a reliable vehicle. Available countries: USA and Canada. Sign up for Instacart. Number 2 app's name: Swagbucks. Swagbucks is the ultimate get paid to site for earning extra cash on the internet. The site paid its members millions of dollars over the years. Over 590 million as of this updated in 2021. How it works: sign up for a free account. You earn points for answering surveys. Bonus offer: get a $5 welcome bonus when you sign up here. Number 3, Missed Play. Missed Play is an Android app that pays you to play games. It has been downloaded more than 10 million times and has paid gamers almost $9 million in rewards. Available countries: USA, UK, and Canada. So join Missed Play today. Inbox Dollars. Number 4 application is a top rewards site similar to Swagbucks. It has millions of members and has paid them over 59 million in cash. Available countries: United States. Bonus offer: get a $5 welcome bonus when you sign up for Inbox Dollars. Number 5 application name is Opinion Outpost. Opinion Outpost is a market research panel that rewards members when they complete surveys, watch the adverts, test products, and complete missions in their neighborhood. How it works: sign up for a free account and complete your profile. They send you surveys from their partners and you earn points when you complete them. You can redeem your points starting at $5 through PayPal, gift cards, and virtual Visa prepaid cards. Available countries: USA and Canada.